Today I will show you how to recover gold using the AP, acid peroxide method. Here are some gold-plated flex ribbons. I'll show you how to detach the gold plating step by step using the AP method. Here are the flex ribbons in the beaker. To ensure the flex ribbon are properly submerged, I'm taking 600 milliliters of filtered water and diluting it with 200 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. Adding 100 milliliters of 3% volume hydrogen peroxide here as an oxidizer. It dissolves the underlying base metal, allowing the gold plating to strip off as thin flakes. Covering the beaker loosely with a lid to allow the built-up gases to vent out. Hydrogen peroxide is starting to react. Oxygen bubbles are sticking to the flex ribbons. The next day, you can see quite a few gold flakes have detached from the flex ribbons. The solution has turned greenish due to the copper-based metal dissolving in it. On the third day, I noticed that all the gold flakes have detached completely from the flex ribbons. Using a plastic strainer, I separated the gold flakes from the flex ribbons, as shown. collecting the gold flakes on a coffee filter paper for aqua regia refining. Here, I am mixing 60 milliliters of hydrochloric acid and 10 milliliters of nitric acid. This aqua regia solution will dissolve the gold flakes, turning them into chloroauric acid. Allowing 10 minutes for the gold flakes to completely dissolve into chloroauric acid. Before filtering, I will double the solution's volume by adding water to dilute it, and then filter it through a tight cotton-packed funnel. Rinsing the cotton 5 to 6 times with water to collect the remaining drops of the gold solution. Adding a teaspoon of sodium metabisulfite to the chloroauric acid and diluting with double water to precipitate and settle the gold. Leaving it safely overnight. Next day, all the gold precipitate has settled to the bottom of the beaker. Carefully decanting the liquid to collect the gold precipitate on a 10 to 12 micron filter paper for melting. Spraying water 5 to 6 times to wash the gold precipitate and eliminate acid fumes during melting. Adding borax and sodium carbonate to bind the gold precipitate, preventing it from blowing away during melting. At 1064 degrees Celsius, I swirl the flame around to heat it slowly until the gold melts into a shiny bead. Sprinkling a pinch of borax on the hot gold bead to clear impurities and give it a brilliant shine. Leaving the gold bead in dilute sulfuric acid for 10 minutes to clear off the remaining flux. 0.30 grams of pure gold recovered from 70 grams of flex ribbons using the AP method. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.